Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing the difference between Usufruct and Thai leasing. So first of all, and we've done a number of videos on this channel, but a Usufruct, it's a right of use of land, specifically oftentimes the surface of land, which without having the right to own it per se. So you don't necessarily have what's called shenote title or freehold title over that piece of real estate, but you can use it. Oftentimes it's possible to have a usufruct which has lifetime usage of an individual, somewhat akin to what we call a life estate in the common law system of property. But there's differences, but conceptually they're similar. Meanwhile, I think most folks are familiar with a lease. In Thailand, at least as of the time of this video, it's possible to get a lease of up to 30 years in Thailand. They generally, anything over 3 years needs to be recorded, but it is possible to have a lease. And for foreigners, either one of these can be a possibility. And people often ask me, which is better? Well, long story short, and I know people get kind of tired of me saying this, but it's going to depend on your circumstances. A lot may depend on the local land office, depending on their view of these type of instruments, and it may also depend on your circumstances. How this is being set up, under what circumstances, for what reason. There are a number of different pros and cons associated with both types of instruments, and your specific factual set of circumstances will oftentimes dictate whether or not it's a particularly positive or negative instrument for you to use. So for those who are interested in this, it may not be a terrible idea to contact a legal professional, gain some insight and guidance as to options and strategies.